Hello everyone, my name is John. Today, I will tell you how to set up uploading orders from Ecwid to MeisterTask. This is necessary in order to automatically transfer new orders from Ecwid to other systems. For example, in MeisterTask you can create tasks based on new orders from Ecwid, conveniently store, process and interact with it in every possible way in the future. Now let's move on to the setup. To get started, you need to create a new connection. Next, you need to select the Ecwid data source system. Now you need to specify an action. If you want to receive new orders, select Get Orders New. At this stage, you need to connect your Ecwid account to the ApiX-Drive system. Enter your login and password to your Ecwid account. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it and click Continue. At this point, you can edit the settings. This system does not provide additional configuration, so just click Continue. At this point, you can set up a data filter. In this case, this is not necessary, so we also click Continue. At this point, you see the test data. If everything suits you, click Next. At this point, the configuration of the Ecwid data source has been successfully completed. Now you need to move on to setting up data reception. Choose MeisterTask as the system. Next, you need to specify the action Create Task. Now you need to connect your MeisterTask account to the ApiX-Drive system. Enter your email and password for your MeisterTask account. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it and click Continue. You now see the MeisterTask fields for creating a new task. You can assign variables from Ecwid to these fields. To add a variable, click in the field and select it from the drop-down list. Please note that you can not only add variables, but also prescribe values manually. To move to the next line, use Enter. When all the required data is assigned to the fields, click Continue. Now you see an example of the data that will be sent to MeisterTask as a new task when a new order comes from Ecwid. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to MeisterTask. After successful submission, go to MeisterTask to check the result. If everything suits you, we return to the ApiX-Drive system and continue the configuration. At this stage, the data reception setup in MeisterTask has been successfully completed. Next, you need to enable Auto Update. Select the interval for the connection, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.